Hi, so my name's Nicole Schwartz, and I'm the PM for the composition analysis team within Secure. And we're about to go over our 12.9 items for the kickoff that are direction level or release post level. And then we can go over any questions after we go through them. So the first one I've got is that we're going to work on supporting air-gapped dependency scanning for JavaScript through our retire.js analyzer. So we have a lot of different analyzers that make up our dependency scanning category. And for this particular 12.9, we're going to concentrate on documenting and fixing some items to make sure that this will work in a limited connectivity or no connectivity environment. There's a couple of catches here that you can read about with SAST and some of our other tools that are already air-gap support, which involve you having to download all the analyzers in advance and do some configuration work. But we're going to have all of that documented as part of this issue. The next one is we're going to be working on the design for allowing container scanning to scan multiple container images in a single change. And so right now, you could have a change that impacts multiple images, but we can't iterate through and scan all of those images. And so we're going to fix that flaw that we've got. And then the last direction level item we have is we're going to start a problem validation on what do users want and expect from being able to manage license compliance at the group and instance level. So if you are interested in this topic at all, please comment in this issue so that you can participate in the questions we're going to ask. Maybe when we get to prototyping, you'd be able to help us click through and give us feedback on that. So I would just love to know your scenarios and situations. So please comment on that issue. And then the last item we've got is actually a deprecation. And so this one won't affect most people, but if you have written any scripts to be parsing our common report format, or if you are a third party that has written an integration into our secure area using the report format, we're going to be changing away from the CVE property. We haven't exactly decided what it's going to change to, but the main goal of this is we're calling it a CVE, which actually has a very distinct definition and meaning, and it is not a CVE. And so we're causing a lot of confusion and consternation by having a field name that doesn't represent the actual content of that field. And so we're hoping to be able to pick a new, more descriptive name. We're going to look at data migration if that's possible. And all sorts of other implications. So if you have written any kind of scripting or integration, you'll probably want to follow along in this issue. You can also feel free to comment with your thoughts. And if you've run into this confusion, we definitely want to hear from you around what would help. So that's my 4 items. Does anybody have any questions about why we're doing these, or any questions about more about what the outcome is going to be? No.
Nope. Looks great.
Thank you. Where's my button?